Too many times, a young child locked in a hot...
That Detroit has murdered another child. What are you going to do?
Chris Van Cleve tonight reports automakers are trying new ways to prevent tragedies.
Through the automakers in Detroit, we will put in a warning system in honor of my niece who died called the Jessie Alert. And this will alert women who have left the car to go into a store that, wait a minute, you've left your child in a car seat. This sound will occur automatically. That sound warns the driver that there is a child left in the car.
Backseat alarm standard on all new four-door vehicles by 2022. The car will alert a driver.
May God damn Detroit to hell. There was no warning system. There was no bells. Nothing.